Welcome to the journey of empowering financial leadership, the Omani CFO Mentoring Program, a proud initiative of the ICAI Oman Chapter in collaboration with the Oman Chamber of Commerce and Industry, OCCI. Here, inspiration meets expertise to shape the future of finance professionals in Oman. Launched in 2023, this transformative program nurtures the strategic leadership skills of Omani nationals, creating a platform where tomorrow's chief financial officers are shaped today. Under the patronage of His Excellency Sheikh Faisal Abdullah Al Rawaz, and supported by ICAI leadership, this initiative has already made waves by mentoring over 170 aspiring professionals across Salalah, Muscat, Sohar, and Barka. With a meticulously crafted curriculum developed by over 40-plus seasoned experts, the program spans 8 comprehensive modules, from resource management to strategic business planning, offering a holistic approach to financial leadership. Module 1, Knowledge about the company and general understanding. Module 2, Existing financial and accounting system. Module 3, Resource management activity. Module 4, Operation management. Module 5, Funding and its management. Module 6, Budgets and strategic business plans and risk management. Module 7, Revival of SIC units and investment strategy. Module 8, Compliance and legal matters and leadership development. Each session builds essential competencies for navigating the complexities of today's dynamic business landscape. But more than just knowledge, this program is about fostering a mindset for innovation and leadership. At the heart of this success are our dedicated mentors. With decades of expertise, they are the guiding force behind each participant's growth, sharing invaluable industry insights and experiences. Our mission is clear: to cultivate the next generation of financial leaders who will steer Oman's economy towards a prosperous future. With each batch, we witness the transformative power of mentorship and collaboration. As we celebrate the successes of the Salalah, Muscat, Sohar, and Barka batches, we look forward to the future, continuing our journey of nurturing talent and driving excellence. The ICAI Oman Chapter, an unwavering partner in Oman's journey towards financial empowerment. Together, we build leaders who not only see numbers but envision possibilities. The future of finance in Oman starts here.